Mind shifters. I just made those keto potatoes. Now I want to make some brownies. So I am going to make a quick little. I'm going to whip up some brownies real quick. I tried to do better with the measurements. I apologize for the table. Erica's just going to hold it up so you can see me putting things in. Let's go. So I start off. I have 3 eggs. I am going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and that's optional. You don't have to add that. I'm gonna add about 1.5 or 3/4 of xylitol. It's a lot. And I am going to mix that up. Okay. So I normally would add the chocolate mixture, and I may think about adding it now, but see, because I don't have a microwave, I'll add it now. I just don't want it, because it's kind of still warm, I don't want it to cook. But I actually have a 1/4 cup of Lily's chocolate. I have some cacao nibs that I tried to melt in here. You probably will want some cocoa powder or some cacao powder. So I'm kind of just, I'm adding what I have in the pantry. Okay. And I want to add some peanut butter, but someone who's video taping this or recording this won't let me. Okay, so we're gonna mix that up. So we want to add our dry ingredients. I have, I forget what I have, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then about, I think 1/2 or 3/4 of almond flour. So let's mix that up. Are ready to pour this in, and I guess should we add some more almond flour to make it a little thicker?
No, I think it's fine.
Are you sure I can't add any peanut butter?
The more you do that, I think the more that you're getting on the thing. So you might want to.
So we were kind of unsure if we had the right pan. We were looking for another pan, but you know what? We just want some brownies, and we hope that with these ingredients it works out. Yeah, kind of thought like maybe it'll be too thin. You probably need a 9 by 7. This is a 11 by 7, so we're going to still put it in for about 15-20 minutes at 350, but you Probably could have had a maybe a shorter length pan.
It's good.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's fine.
Okay.
All right.
And so we will see you in 15 to 20 minutes.
All right.
Thank you. That looks so good. I took it out. I took the brownies out after about 25 minutes. I think I should have put a little bit more almond flour, or I should have actually had cacao or cocoa powder, kind of make that consistency a little thicker. So this is what it looks like. You can see I was poking the crap out of it. Smells good. Okay, I will come back after it cools and I will cut a piece and take a picture. Smells good.